In this video, you'll learn how to switch Envato accounts efficiently. This guide will provide you with clear steps to ensure a smooth transition between accounts without any complications. To begin, you need to log out of your current Envato account. Look for the log out option, which is typically found in the upper right corner of the interface. Clicking this will log you out and redirect you to the home page. Before you proceed, make sure that all your work is saved. This precaution helps prevent any data loss during the account switching process. After successfully logging out, navigate to the Envato login page. You can do this by entering the Envato URL in your browser's address bar. It is essential to verify that you are on the official Envato website to avoid any login errors or security concerns. Once the login page appears, you are ready to enter your new account credentials. Next, enter the email address and password associated with the account you wish to switch to. Ensure that you input the correct information to avoid login failures. After entering your credentials, click the login button. This action will initiate the login process, and you may experience a brief loading period as the system verifies your information. Once you are logged in, you'll have access to your new Envato account dashboard. Here, you can manage your projects, purchases, and other account settings just as you would normally. It is important to take a moment to confirm that you are indeed in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts frequently. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.